खुलुमका joto takok tei bukhuk songno jotono no lamchogu tei bebak hambaiya pharu ani channel edu tips kok borogo phai manjak phaimani bagai takok tei bukhuk song ang norokni bagai sal burung burung chakri ni khobor ba job news ba student ni education related nangmani video rokno tui phai tongo takok tei bukhuk song norok ani kok borok bai sanamjak video rokno chajak tongkhe ani channel no subscribe khaidi tai like comment share khainabo tapokdi phaidikhe जों tini chiniyo video no chenglai sinai video no chengya sakang ani kaisa chikon sa koimu khulumka takok tai bukhuk song haino hai जों tini chin video phai manjak lai phaika tripura ni tei kaisa chakri ni khobor ongkhori phaimani obono tei kok salaina bagai takok tai bukhuk song o chakri ongkhori phaika Rajorshi College of Education and Skill Bagbari Lembosora ni tei tai o chakri ongkhori phaika assistant professor post ni bagai bhaike जों obono apply khainai tai koi tarik jora rok last date tong obono apply khainani oborno tino जों tini chin video o kaham ke details o nailai phaidike takok tai bukhuk song lekari जों o video no chenglai senai takok tai bukhuk song Rajorshi College of Education and Skill ni tei je chakri ongkhori phaika omungkha assistant professor ni bagai borok o jagao notification o sei rikha Rajorshi College of Education and Skill Bagbari Lembusora invites application from the eligible Indian nationals as per UGC norms for filling up of the post of assistant professors. Mane no jaga sajaka Rajorshi College of Education and Skill Bagbari Lembusora ni under assistant professor post o chakri najan nai tongo tai India ni jekono jaga ni borok no obono apply khaimano aboni pore borok sairika application no jomarina ni last date engkha August ni 25 tariko sarik ni 5 ta ni sekang tolao borok sairika bobo department ni under je assistant professor najana nai tongo amongkha physics chemistry mathematics English education history philosophy and political science takok tai bukhuk song norok jodi o chakri no apply khaina musungkai bahaike khainai borok omobo sairika norok jodi o chakri no apply khaina musungkai borok o jagao kaisa email address ruirika o email address o application form no fill up khai norok maro honai takok tai bukhuk song application form bo o notification ni login o thepajak tongo notification no download khaina di ang ani video tola o link riwana aro download khai norok application form no print out khaina di takok tai bukhuk song Rajorshi College of Education and Skill Development ni under je assistant professor ni chakri ongkhori phaika oboni bagai borok qualification sajaka norokni minimum PhD tona nangnai tai slate tongkhaibo norok o chakri no apply khaimano aboni logi norok jodi JRF khaijak tongkhaibo norok o job no apply khaimano norok o chakri no apply khaian saka norok out notification o kaham ke waisa pori nairi tamoni bagai hinke जों chini video o omoni tei just overall kaisa details no जों discuss khaileka takok tai bukhuk song norok o chakri no khaina musungkai norok ni master level education o kintu 55% mark tona nangnai aboni logi borok oro saka ST SC rok ni bagai 5% relaxation rejangnai omongkha application form for assistant professor norok o application form no kaham ke waisa nainari naimani pore o jago je sanmani details rok no fill up khai borok ni je samani email address o send khaire o chakri no bahaike apply khainai aboni tibo जों tini kisa kok salaika haipono norok kaham ke waisa details no pori naidi pori naiman pore norok obono apply khaidi hangke takok tai bukhuk song tini ni bagai asuk no malay no next video o omo hai taibo nangmani video rok no tui khulumka jotono no jai hind